Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee, and today I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to decorate my tiered tray. And I'm using a 2-tiered tray for this project, and I'm going to be setting it up on my little table here in my sort of little breakfast nook in my kitchen. So normally I set this up on my dining room table, but I'm going to be doing something different with my dining room table. I'm going to actually be setting a tablescape this year. So I'm going to be doing it on my little table here. What I want to do is I have a theme of black and white, orange and white that I want to do on the tiered tray. And I am challenging myself. I didn't buy anything new for my tiered tray this year. I'm just going to use what I have on hand and give it a different look than I gave it last year. So I'm just going to start. I have some garland. This has got some acorns and some leaves on it, and I'm just going to kind of intersperse this between the two tiers. And then I just have all of my little signs and my my white pumpkins in different sizes. And I also have a couple of little pedestals. I don't know if I'll use these, and these have been kind of incorporated in all of my tiered trays that I've been doing, and these are just from Hearth and Hand, and they're just little ceramic little small cake plates that we can use as pedestals. But I also have this one that's black, and it can be used for a candle, obviously. And I do have a candle that I'm thinking I might put in. This is a candle I've had for several years with a little, it's got a sister to it that's a little taller, but I figured maybe just using this with the little pumpkin charms might look pretty. It's the orange and sort of the off-white. And I also have some berries and twigs that I will intersperse in there somehow. I don't know how all this is going to fit, and it may not all fit, but I'm just going to sort of play with it and see how it comes out. I also have a couple of this little sweater weather pillow, and you had me at pumpkin spice. Now this is kind of big, so I'm not sure if this will actually fit on the tier tray. We'll try it. If it doesn't, I don't have to use it. And I just have a couple of other little wooden signs: thankful, blessed, fall blessings. And I also brought up a black candle that I might put in there as well, and I have my black and white beads that were on my summer tiered tray, but the black and white theme, it's going to go. I have a couple of signs that I may or may not use: happy and gather. I have another white sort of corduroy pumpkin here. A couple of little greeneries that could fit into a mug, because I have this mug which says let's get cozy. I just have some pumpkins in there right now. And I have this little watering can. I'm not sure if I'll use this, with some flowers in there. A couple of orange pumpkins. And this little tea towel is from Spruce Home Decor. On my recent trip to Ohio, I was gifted this. We were all gifted this from Spruce Home Decor, just for coming in and hanging out with the two orchids. So this was a wonderful little gift that we all got. They all said different things, and mine says grateful for the small things, the big things, and everything in between. So I'm just gonna sort of drape that in the front and let that be sort of on the table, you know, and I will put a runner on the table. I have a black and white buffalo check table runner that I'm going to be taking off of my table, and I am going to put it here. So I don't have room now, so I will go and get that when I'm finished. But why don't you come on down with me? I'm just going to play around with it and see how it all comes out.
'cause I can do this all night. You can call it what you want, I got something else in mind. Oh, if it's you I've been waiting for, I better make you worth my time. So don't you pay them any mind, close your eyes, follow the sound. Keep it coming through the night, we don't need to slow down. Take it all, I'll give you what you need. If you're slaving me, I'll love you in the dark. So shine on, don't lose your spark. Show me what you got. Let your colors burn. Let your colors burn now. Let your colors burn now. I'll let you in the dark. I'm waiting in the dark, where I can see you so clear. All we got is here and now. So give it all you got. Don't you pay them any mind, close your eyes, follow the sound. Keep it coming through the night, we don't need to slow down. Take it all, I'll give you what you need. If you're slaving me, I'll love you in the dark. So shine on, don't lose your spark. Show me what you got. Let your colors burn. So take it all, I'll give you what you need. If you're slaving me, I'll love you in the dark. So shine on, don't lose your spark. Show me what you got. Let your colors burn. Let your colors burn now. Let your colors burn now. I'll love you in the dark. In your side, 'cause I can do this all night. You can call it what you want, I got something else in mind. Oh, if it's you I've been waiting for.
Okay guys, so I finished it. I love the fall traditional colors, the traditional leaves, and I think that the garland interspersed in between does give it that little touch that I really, really like. So I'm just gonna bring you over, I'll show you it all up close, and hopefully it gives you some inspiration. Everything is from my own stash other than the tea towel, which I mentioned came from Spruce Home Decor from my trip. So yeah, so I'm gonna take you over, I'll show it to you, and we can wrap up this video. Thank you for watching. I hope I have given you some inspiration. I know it's not too late to start decorating for fall. It's actually right on time, and hopefully you can do something with your own stash rather than having to go out and get something this year. From everything that I have been hearing, the shelves are already bare and it's not even fall yet. So if you haven't had a chance to go out and get some new additions for your fall decor, just go on and get what you had before and just give it a little tweak here and there, and you have something that looks brand new. So I'm going to show you what this is now, and thank you so much. If you are new here, welcome. I hope that you will consider subscribing. I hope that you will hit that like button, and I hope that you will come back. So thanks again everybody for watching. Take care. Bye for now.
If you're